In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find my Oanda account number. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, what the number looks like, and how to use it without mixing it up with your login details. First, let's talk about what we're looking for. Your Oanda account number, sometimes called your account ID, is the unique identifier for each trading account you have with Oanda. You'll use it for things like API connections, logging into platforms like MT4 or MT5 in some cases, and when you contact support about a specific account. It's not the same as your email or your password, and it's not the display name of the account. The fastest way to find it is right on your main dashboard or trading platform after you log in. Once you're in, head to the area that lists your accounts. This could be your live account, your demo account, or any sub-accounts you've created. In that list, you'll see each account paired with its account number. Depending on your layout, it might appear beneath the account name or off to the side. If you manage more than one account, take a moment to match the correct account name with the correct number so you copy the right one. Many interfaces let you click to copy it. Use that if it's available to avoid typos. If you don't see it right away on the dashboard, there's another reliable place to check. Click into the specific account you want, live or demo, and open the account details or info panel. Inside that panel, look for a field labeled Account ID or Account Number. That's the exact value you need. Go ahead and copy it directly from there to ensure accuracy. Your account number usually follows a structured format with digits separated by dashes, for example, something like 001, 011, 123, 457, 001. The exact numbers will be unique to your account, but the grouped style is typical. Remember, this is a unique identifier for that specific trading account. A few important tips before we wrap up. You may have multiple account numbers if you use both demo and live accounts. Each sub-account has its own ID, so don't assume one number applies to everything. And don't confuse your email login with your account number. Your email gets you into your profile, while your account number identifies the specific trading account you're working with, especially for API connections, MT4 or MT5 logins in some setups, and support requests. That's it. Check the dashboard first for speed, or open the account's details panel for a sure find. Copy the ID carefully, keep it organized, and you're set.